This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for October 8th. Well, the corn market finished the day slightly higher as we had position evening ahead of next week's USDA report. Corn was also supported by weekly export sales that came in at 49.8 million bushels, which was well above the high end of trade estimates. The majority of those bushels, 31.5 million of them, were business we did with Mexico. At the close, the December futures were a penny and 3/4 cents higher, ending the day at $5.34. Soybeans traded higher, driven by demand optimism and rain-delayed harvest activity in portions of the eastern Corn Belt. The day also featured weakness in the soybean meal coming from fears of ample supplies, while soybean oil continued to climb higher on strong demand. Exports for the week were solid at 38.3 million bushels, with the bulk of those bushels sold to China. At the close, the November futures were 5.25 cents higher as they finished up at $12.4725 per bushel. The wheat market traded mixed, with Minneapolis stronger on tight supplies, while Kansas City and Chicago were on the defensive from poor export demand. There have been several tenders in the works over the last week or two, but the U.S. does not appear to have gotten a piece of any of the pies that were being tendered for. At the close, we had Minneapolis December futures 3.25 cents higher, closing at $9.4225 per bushel. Kansas City was 3.75 cents lower, ending the day at $7.4125, while Chicago futures were 4.75 cents lower, as they also closed at $7.4125. Cotton futures continue to run higher as they yesterday reached levels that have not been seen in 11 years. For the session, the December futures ended the day 55 points higher, closing at $111.61 per hundredweight. Livestock futures were stronger yesterday. At the close, December live cattle were $1.87 higher, closing at $130.10 per hundred. November feeder cattle were $3.47 higher as they settled at $161.60 per hundred. Lean hog futures were also slightly higher. At the close, we had the December lean hog futures up 30 points, closing at $82.02 per hundredweight. Class 3 milk futures continued to work higher. At yesterday's finish line, we had the November futures up 15 points, settling at $18.74. Meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef ended the day down $1.32, closing at $285.30. Select boxes were $1.53 higher as they settled at $264.44. And pork carcass cutout values gave up a bit of ground as they ended the day 60 cents lower, settling at $112.26 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.